Umpisa na ang snow in Europe, guys. Galing tayo ngayon ng Czech Republic going to Germany. Nasa 5 kilometers tayo border going to Germany. Medyo madulas na yung daan. Na-snow na yung daan natin ngayon. First time ko pala ngayon nang makita yung snow ng Europe. Truck driver. Ingat, dobling ingat tayo mga guys. Salamat. God bless our trip always. Can't help but think of the times I've had with you.